So welcome back, guys, and today is a continued version of my video because of Bandicam. I wish they made it longer for free, man. Literally. So for newcomers, you're gonna have to check through my previous videos by clicking on the videos I've put at the end of the video, and make sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to aim for 2K because it might be I'm trying to get somewhere to like becoming a proper YouTuber. So as we were doing last time, I was not sure, but it should look like this. I'm not sure where we were last time, so it should have come like this in your second page. So now we're going to do page 3, and what we're going to do is copy all of this, Ctrl+C and Command+C on the Mac. Not rename it. You're going to have to duplicate it, and it'll say duplicate, but we don't want the name like this. I'm going to do page 3.html. Okay, now we're going to page 3. It's got all of this, which is what we need. We could just copy it. We could just delete all of it though, and then just paste it back in. So what we're going to do now is basically name the page whatever you want for the third page. I'm going to just name it third page, and we're going to do Brave is so good. Links to install Brave. Brave. Now we're gonna come to a bit of a hard part. It's not a hard part, but you gotta install something extra. So we're gonna leave the URL index. Yeah, this part. Yeah, and this part as well included. And we're gonna take this image off. You can do another image, but in this one I'm not gonna do any image. I don't think there's actually any meaning of doing an image in here. I already need it. Let's just delete all of it. But instead we're gonna install a link. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna do a href. No, wait. I forgot the component. Wait 1 minute. So I'm gonna so it's gonna be opening another tab. I gotta copy something from my other project. So let me just check the time. Okay. So we've got all my projects. I'm gonna check for my other project I made. So it's sort of hard to remember everything. So this is our other page. We gotta copy. Pardon me. How do I go to Google Translate? I don't know. We're gonna go to page 3 of my other project. I just have to copy this link. This link's all thingy. So this is what it is. So you gotta do ahref equals and then your URL copy. So let me just copy this. Then we can fit this somewhere in between. So I don't know, let's just fit it here. So we're not gonna obviously do this. We're gonna change this to another link. So I'm gonna just type in download Brave. I'm just gonna copy a URL. Copy link address. You can copy the URL straight away. So we just type this in. Then this so what's in here where it says click to go future entry, we're gonna change it. So that's what's gonna be highlighted, which is gonna make the person wanna click it. So we're gonna do click here to install Brave and browse privately. So that's the thing we're gonna represent. I'm gonna format it now. Sorry, keeps on doing. I don't know why. Now that's it. So that's what I'm gonna just do now. So you can add more stuff. I'm deciding not to do a paragraph now. You can do a paragraph if you want, but I'm not gonna. So should come something. So now we're gonna format the file. And 1 minute, guys. Let's check it. So now it's formatted. We're gonna now go to and show it in a new window. And page 3 should come up actually. And if you don't think that the link doesn't work, I'll click on the link. I didn't even mind, so I clicked on the link. What? Wait, what? How did it come to YouTube? Guys, what is happening in my? Yes, now this is what I should come with. I'll just show you. Oh, I see what's happening. Dude, sorry guys, just keeps on doing that. So I click on the link. It comes with this, and you can open it in Tor because I have Tor. This is Tor, so it's another. So I like Brave more though. So now it comes with this. So that's it for today, guys. And make sure to like and subscribe, and that would be magnificent. And I'll see you in the last episode of HTML. Don't worry, your border will be free. Okay, see ya.